it's time to finish up our individual presentation on Canva. Again, on Canva, it's not on Google Slide. I explained the reason why on Canva, not Google Slide, because I want you to learn new skill, and also it's powerful to turn presentation into a video, and I'm going to show you today. So before we turn it into a video, let's double check if you include all the content here. So of course, first the slide is your title and your name, and then your flag study and your 5 country flag that you already did it on personal workspace. Okay, and then your research. Again, here, reference. If it's too hard for you to do MLA format, it's okay. Just give me web link. Okay, that's fine. But I prefer you use a MLA format. And this is the interview work we did. And so far, I still have students haven't finished interview, and I made an announcement. And I said I will wait 1 more week because this week is the last week of this 6 week. So if you do that, that I can give you maximum 90 instead of 100. So it will be fair to the students who finish on time. And then, yeah, this is a paper draft. I know some of you did on paper, but you forgot to take a photo and post on personal workspace. If you forget, please do so, okay? And then this is your 2 digital design. Again, keep the background of the slide as white, and also this white. This last 2 slides background must be white because I want to see the flag design. All right. So the background color will not interfere the flag design. And after you checked all the slides, you're good. Then time to add music, background music. So go to left bar. Here's option music. Click on it. There are many different styles: happy mood, epic mood, happy birthday, and piano, blah blah. So you can try one by one. I like this one. Boom, boom, boom. I click this. I drag. Yeah, I drag and drop on the top. It will looping for me the entire time. But you see, you cannot hear my voice, so I'm going to adjust this volume. Go to right side, this sound icon. So right now the volume is 100. Let's tune it down. I think 15 is good. Yeah, let's do 15. So now you added the music, right? Where's my music? Oh, it is supposed to be there. Oh yeah, it's here. It shows here. Yeah, I also adjusted the volume. After that, you're gonna push this 3-dot button, and look at the second option, present and record, and you are gonna record your presentation. And think about if you just see the slides, and then if you don't record, I made that mistake too. Students says, oh, too fast. But if you record your voice, you read over what you wrote on the slides, then the timing is just going to be perfect. And it's also benefit for the audience. They want a visual presentation. They also want to hear, okay? Visual and audio, both. So let's do this. Let's make a quality work. You can do it. So click this button, and they ask you, go to recording studio. Let's go. If you don't want to show your face, so you can choose this. But whatever the device you use, but I want to show my face, I will choose this one. And I'm gonna start record. It will time down for you. So all the presentation, this area is highlighted for you in red, but you're afraid that you're gonna mess up. Then you can type a note here to remind yourself. Okay, but say right now I'm gonna record. Okay, I say, "Hi, city leaders," or just say, "Hi, everyone." Let's just say, "Hi, everyone." Let's make audience broader. Hi, everyone. This is my project, Save Our City Flag. My name is blah and blah, okay? And then you just go ahead, click next, this arrow to the right. I studied a 5-country flag. Here they are. This is a Mexico flag, and the green represent hope, the white represent union. You can keep reading this, or just to present using your own voice, your own words. And then this placeholder, yeah, you just keep recording. And then I did research. I studied about Odessa history, and I used 5 resources. They are here, A, B, C, D, E, F, okay? And I learned from this website, I learned this. From that website, I learned that, okay? So, and then I also interviewed an adult. This person works in water field. The reason I interview him is because him or her because blah, blah, blah. And then you can read over this, okay? And then I designed 5 versions of a city flag on paper so that I can get feedback from my peers and also get feedback from adults. After I designed 5 flags, I asked their opinion to help me to find the best 2 flag design. And then after I made a decision which 2 are going to be designed digitally, then I designed them on Canva. Here they are. And then this version, this color represent what, that symbol represent what, then you just keep saying it. And then at the end, thank you for listening. All right, thank you for your time. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, well, however you want to end. Okay, so I'm just showing you an example. And then after that, you just hit this button and record. It will upload your recording. Yeah, it takes a while to generate. Let's wait a little bit. So again, let me remind you, if so far you have a blank content on your personal workspace, definitely you cannot do this. For that kind of situation, I have an alternative solution because we have 1 week left for this grade cycle. And another option for you is to type, play the typing game. And I made an announcement on today, this week's daily agenda. You can read it. So that is my last help. Okay. Okay. Here we go. So your recording link is ready. So let's copy the link, and it's copied. And then you can go to your workspace. Go to your workspace. Okay. I want to go to our group organizer. This is your template. So let's see. We did everything to where? Okay. Here is my Canva presentation. So here, so you're gonna just post your link here, Control V, because oh wow, it's too long. Well, you will say my Canva video, okay? And then you can highlight that, insert link, and then paste again. And then this way, it's not going to be long. Let me just test. Hover over it. Yeah, let's see. So all the presentation, this area is highlighted for you in red, but you are. Oh yeah, it's good. Okay, so that's it. So now everyone, this is what I want to show you. Okay, so far, all right. So I will give you 1 week to do this. You know, my original plan is to let you guys combine the group work, but I feel you need more time to produce quality work. And also a lot of students need to catch up. So this week, no group work, just work on this and catch up, okay? This is my grace giving to you. And I really, really hope you guys have quality work and catch up all the grades, okay? Bye, y'all.